Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to What's Cooking with Chef Noel. We are back another Wednesday, and today we'll be making a peppered shrimp pasta, which is a new favorite for everyone who tried it and everyone asking for the recipe. So I did this recipe last week at my birthday party, and everyone is asking for the recipe for this peppered shrimp pasta. Plus there's a few people on here asking me to do some pasta dishes, but I'm not making the pasta from scratch today. We ain't got that time. But if you want to make yours, it's pretty simple. Just some flour and egg, and you can make any shape that you like. Hey, what's up? So we're live over here and over there. Tell me where you're watching from. Make sure you share the video. Hope you all can see the pot today. So let's get cooking. Hey peeps, what's up? Alright, so we got two camera, kind of happening today. So thanks for watching. So let's get our shrimps. I'm using the shrimp with all the shell and everything on it, the tail, the head. This will give the pasta the right flavor, right? So let's season this quickly, put it aside, get our pasta cooking, then we're gonna work on the sauce, and that's it. Quick and easy, quick and easy. And I'm using a coconut cream sauce today. Tell your friends, tune in. So we're putting some onion on the shrimp. And if you have been watching, then you'd have seen how I make I made pepper shrimp before, right? And if you want to watch back those videos, you can just go in the search bar and type in What's Cooking with Chef Noel, and then you can catch up on those old episodes. Plus it's also on my YouTube channel. So if you go to YouTube, you will see my new favorite dish. Hey. So if you go to my YouTube channel, just type Chef Noel Cunningham, then you will see all these bits. And my friend Miriam is waiting for hers. So we got a scotch bonnet. Just remind me somebody not to touch my eyes or my face. So I'm doing the pepper shrimp right here now, right? So we got the onion and we got some scotch bonnet on this. We need some black pepper. So big up all of the St. Elizabeth people them. I'm gonna put some cayenne pepper on this. I'm using some smoked paprika. What else? Okay. This is my new favorite. I'm not gonna call the brand name when I advertise nothing, but it's a ghost pepper sauce. So it's hot, but it gives it a nice color. So you can use any pepper sauce you want to use. Alright, what's your favorite dish? Oh, that's a hard question. So what we're going to do now in the meantime is get our pasta cooking. Do you like long pasta or short pasta? Penny? Or you like fettuccine linguine? I'm going to make extra for my friend Miriam, who she loves this dish. Right, Miriam? She's smiling. So pasta is there cooking. Thai is a long pasta, linguine is a, so you talk linguine, fettuccine. I don't use left hand, I use right hand. But because I think the camera, I turn this, I don't know why, it seems like I'm left-handed. So we're gonna get this pot all hot. So the pasta is there cooking. And this now we need some salt. And then now we just stir this up with some thyme. Get all the leaves. So we're just joining inside of this. We got some onion chopped, some scotch bonnet, some thyme. We got some powder going on like paprika, cayenne pepper, and I like to put a little pimento powder on mine. Alright. You can let this marinate overnight or for a few hours. Left hand look good on it. I don't use left hand. See, right, it's right. Alright now, so what we need to make also is what I call a roux. So let's get our shrimp going and we're going to make a roux. So we're going to use some melted fat and flour to make the roux. So we're going to use that to thicken our sauce. So there's some, I'm using margarine, you can use butter, but we now have that plus that's too expensive. So we're using some margarine. I'm here, oh, big up my UK people. Make sure you all staying safe, social distancing. Wash them hands, wear your mask. I seen in UK have like what, 2,000 something case one time. And if you're on Instagram, you can go check out my Instagram at I am Chef Noel. I need some of this hot water. Alright, so the pot well hot. You know my alarm stay. And this is gonna make you sneeze and cough. So if I'm sneezing and coughing, guys, it's not corona. It's the pepper. I'm sneezing and coughing, it's not corona. I gotta get my toe for this one. Ooh. Hey, my London people, hey, Morva. My Brooklyn, my Boston people. And you can now go to my website to get the book, cuisinebynowell.com. Remember, it's there. The jerk marinade also is there. Alright, now, so the shrimp. So this is peppered shrimp. We don't want to overcook this too much, so I'm going to put this on the side. We want to make the roux. Add some water to that so it doesn't stay there and dry. Hey Nats, oh Nats, you remember this, right? Nats know what's up. So everyone who came to my party is asking for the recipe, yo. It was lit. So make sure you all take your notes so you can give it a try. Send me pictures and tag me. So once it's all melted, now then I'm going to add the flour to it. So we call this a roux, R-O-U-X. So you can use a whisk. Hopefully you will remember this, but it's a little trick when you're doing roux, right? One is you want to use your hot roux to cold liquid or cold roux to hot liquid, right? So your roux and your liquid must not be at the same temperature. Easy way to remember it. Hey Owen, what's up? Jennifer, what's up? Lauren, I see ya. Our roux is ready. So it's like a paste. So we're going to use this now to thicken our sauce. And the good thing is that what will happen is that the butter or the fat will add flavor to your sauce, right? And the flour is cooked, so it's not raw, which is the toughest meal I've ever made. Oh Lord, toughest meal. It's a good question. Toughest meal, I'm trying to think. Toughest meal. Away from like oxtail, right? We're tough. Our cold food, we're tough. I'm trying to think. That's a hard one because I like quick. I like quick and easy. So anything I'm doing must be very quick and easy. I haven't done much competition, so I want to say any challenge. You guys see the pot, right? I'm known to stay on the start. Everything else in the pot. And the pasta want the pasta to be al dente. You know what's al dente? Any chefs in the house? Any chef in the house? Al dente. Culinary terms. When the pasta is firm to the bite. Alright, so Don say firm, yeah, Don. So the pasta is not too soft. So you want to undercook your pasta a bit because when you add it to the sauce, it's going to cook more, right? Not really half cook mixture, but firm to the bite. So when you bite it, it's still firm, not mushy. So you don't want to overcook your pasta until all soft and mash up. So like this is al dente, it's still got a little white at the edge. A white at the edge here, so this is al dente. Hey Patricia. Alright, sauce time now. So we got I don't need to saute any onion and garlic for my pasta because in my shrimp over here I already got all that stuff going on. So all I need is my cream, and I'm using the heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna make lots of sauce because I'm gonna make more pasta. So I need more flame. I'm gonna add coconut milk to this. By now, you all know that Chef Noel loves coconut milk, right? There are some chefs who just love certain things. Some chefs like their basil. They like that herbs, this herbs. We all got a little madness. So I think for me, it's definitely coconut milk. And that's okay. So remember, go follow on Instagram at I am Chef Noel. You can go visit my website for more recipe. My YouTube channel is there as well. So if you have missed any of the videos, you can catch them there. So add some coconut milk to this. Some people ask, Chef, how much coconut milk? Use 1 cup milk, 1 cup coconut milk. No big deal. Cook to taste, what you like. So I'm trying to stay off. Usually I've been making cocktail, right? But I'm trying to stay off alcohol. And then for my birthday, I went back drinking again. So I'm trying to be a good boy. So I was doing juice. But maybe I'll have some wine with my dinner. What do you all think? Alright, now so what we need now to do before this gets hot is to add our roux. Remember, our roux is hot, right? So we need all this roux. And then we just need to whisk this. So we're just joining that some melted margarine and flour. We make it into a roux, R-O-U-X. Sheena is heading home. Wonder where Sheena go. Sweet red. No, I finished my red wine last night. And I need something to go and watch my movie with later. I got some champagne. What y'all think about champagne? I got some champagne. I got a bottle of white, but it's hot. So, it's getting thicker, right? You're gonna see, I'm gonna show you in a bit. As you can see now, it's getting creamy. And if it starts to get too thick, then you add a little more milk or cream to it. I think for the pasta, this pasta, you need something white, like a white wine. Red wine is too heavy. Because it's cream sauce, you want something light. If you go red wine, it's too heavy, right? My sauce is getting a little too thick. I have some more cream. We can add just a little salt to this, just a little, because we already got some salt and thing happening on the shrimp. And there's no need for any pepper in this, because white wine with seafood, yeah. Champagne is also good, something bubbly. You know, get the palate, you know, nice and rolling. Just a moment. I'm already. Where's the beef button? Alright, so we got the shrimp here. So what we need to do now is I get some flame going on. So this need to add the pasta now to this. And then now just add our sauce. You guys seen what's up? If you can't see, go just start with a comment. Oh my god, this is looking so... Yo. When I'm finished, I'm going outside. And trust me, I wish you all could try this. And if you wanted, you could also put a little white wine in the pot or some red stripe beer. So you could always add some beer to the shrimp before you add the pasta and the sauce. Just liven it up a little and you're good to go. I need a bigger pot so I can add the rest of my pasta, but I don't see my bigger pot. And I want, oh, I forgot this one. Let me wash it good, guys. You know, there's some food police, right? Food police going around very hard. You have to be careful, guys. Can be in trouble. Food police going around. Oh, chef didn't wash his hand. Oh, chef didn't do this. Oh, chef didn't use any soap. Let me see some comment. What you cooking this evening? I came. Hey, what's up? I'm making some pepper shrimp pasta. So I'll be posting this video on my YouTube, so make sure you all go. And I like to make this very saucy. Yeah, nice. See that? All right. So we're almost ready now to plate up. We're ready to plate up. We're ready to plate up. So let's clean up a little while it go on simmer and catch a vibes. We gotta plate it up. And of course we need a bowl, eh? Any comment, any suggestion, any ideas, now is your time and your time only. Any comment after this can be used against you. Alright, just take a little salt. Your pepper turn up. And add a little. So it's not too thick, right? I don't want to add any cheese to this. You could use some freshly shaved Parmesan. That would be perfect. I got some Parmesan, but it's not, you know, the right one. It's one that's gonna kill the flavor. And you're eating something nice and high-end here. Hold on, I have an idea. Let me set the table. Okay, so you're eating something high-end. So you want to keep it that way, right? So you want some freshly shaved Parmesan with nice flavor. Parmesan that's been aged, you know what I'm saying? And a nice glass of wine or a red stripe beer could go with this. A nice, well cold red stripe beer could go with this. And you know, say, oh, a yard man thing. So this ready now. This ready with our fuss. Parsley. Yeah, we got some parsley. We got some parsley. But I'm going to use something different today. I'm going to use my broccoli. My broccoli. I got some broccoli. So this ready now, this boom bang boom bang. So that Jamaican say this boom bang, you know, say yeah, it ready. It boom bang. Get us nice on top, yeah. Some more pasta there. You have to set the shrimp them on top like restaurant, you know, because when you go to the restaurant, they give you like 6 shrimp or 5 shrimp, but then put them on top. So you can't eat them 5 damn things and more down there, because that's all you get. But what I'm gonna do now, a little garnish now, is just sprinkle a little paprika on top. And this paprika is smoky, so there's a nice little flavor. It's a nice little sprinkle across. As I said earlier, everyone who came to my party is asking for this recipe. So consider yourself blessed. Make sure you give it a try. And you can thank me later. And this is it. This is the broccolini. The broccolini. It's very healthy. Microgreens on top. So you can use this on your salad or your, you know, your toast. If you do like a what do you call it, an avocado toast or something like that. So these are some, you know, some microgreens. Bon appetit! Okay, Patricia giving her a little tip and advice. Save some of the pasta water. If it starts to get too thick, you can add it back. Nice idea. Appreciate. Yeah. My Tim says she love it. Okay, looking good. So make sure you all share the video. Head on over to my Instagram at I am Chef Noel. I'm gonna post this recipe on my website hopefully by this weekend. So if you missed it, then you can get it. And I also, y'all, launched my podcast last week, Sunday, on the 30th of August. So if you're a podcast junkie or you like podcasts, you can go listen to it. It's on Google Podcasts, it's on iTunes, it's on Spotify. It's What's Cooking with Chef Noel. Same name. What's Cooking with Chef Noel. So go check it out. Give it a listen. So there's 2 episodes already. Episode 1, which is the introductory episode, and then episode 2 now. We're gonna start to dig deep into some culinary topics, and you know, we're just keeping the conversation going as it relates to chef and the culinary industry. And hopefully some of you all will be able to join me on it, so you can send me voice note. So remember, What's Cooking with Chef Noel podcast, it's everywhere. It's on Anchor FM, Radio Public, so get the app and get app in. Pasta is ready. So I'll see you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all next week. I'm going to take a picture of this, so I don't want to mess it up. Alright, and I'm going to post that picture. And then of course, you can follow me on my Facebook. So, what's your name? Pirlet? I don't like to spoil people's name. I don't like to spoil people's name. Oh, Perlet. I said Perlet. My bad. I'm used to Paulette, that's why. Are you a twin? I'll check it out, of course. How many minutes tops? For which one? For the podcast? The first one was like 12 minutes, second one 28 minutes. Miriam know all my cooking secret. Yeah man, thanks for that. I appreciate it. So I'll see you guys next week. So make sure you share the video. Alright, take care.